Hi everyone, Dipan here, one of Enji's founders. I'm so excited to give you a quick walkthrough of the tools that we've built to help you do your own marketing really successfully. Now, Enji is marketing software for small business owners who need to do their own marketing but aren't marketing experts, which is pretty much everyone. And because of that, you probably are waking up every day and marketing your business by accident. And by that I mean you wake up and you don't really know if you're going to market your business, and if you are, what exactly it is you're going to do. And so the first problem that NG helps you solve is giving you a really clear sense of direction. And we do that with our marketing strategy, and all you need to do to get a customized, really easy to understand, one-page marketing plan for your business is play a game of 20 questions with us. And what you'll see is we recommend 3 marketing channels for you to focus on, because you probably only have an hour or two to a week to work on your marketing. We've got a really easy place for you to build out your customer personas so you know who you're talking to, who you're doing all of these things for, and it outlines your goals and objectives. But one of the really magical things that LG does is it puts you in a place where you don't need to come up with all of the things all of the time. And so when you click into one of your objectives, what we're going to help you do is start to see these are the marketing tasks that you should be doing in order to reach your objectives and reach your goals. So you can see here, if you're trying to get found on the internet in the name of doing a better job with SEO, here are the marketing tasks that you should take care of, with some dates that we're already helping to build out your marketing calendar. Now, one of the other really big things that most small business owners are worried about is the instance where you need more of something. I need more customers. I need more email, less subscribers. I need more social. I need a bigger social media audience. And so when those are the questions that you have, our marketing campaign tools are exactly where you should be going. But again, you don't have to ever start from scratch. We've got all of these really great marketing campaign templates, and all that you need to do is pick a start date. And then Angie is going to put together a list of tasks that you should be doing in order to get this campaign off the ground. Plus, it's a place for you to set some targets and track them. And this is always the place where I like to point out the fact that pretty much everything in NG is color customizable, because it's important that you enjoy being in here. So all of the tasks that you get that are based off of your marketing campaigns and your marketing strategy are going to show up in your marketing calendar. And this becomes the place where you can come every day to understand what is it that I maybe need to do in order to market my business today. And the really great thing about our marketing calendar is that it has this concept of repeating tasks so that you can really start to build your marketing routines and habits, but it's also integrated with our social media scheduler, which is also integrated with our AI copywriter. So all you need to do is go from task, and without leaving, now you can get your content created and scheduled to be posted without you needing to do much more than that. Now that we've talked about your calendar and all these great ways to understand what it is you need to do on the marketing side of things, and then start to do it, the other big question that most people have is my marketing working? And the answer to that question is usually in your metrics, which no one is usually tracking. And so what we've done is we've created this really easy way for you to track the important metrics that help you understand the impact of your marketing and the health of your business, and all you need to do are drop in your numbers. And then we create these really easy to understand charts that help you understand what these numbers are telling you without having to think really deeply about them. And so this becomes a really fantastic way for you to understand what's working with your marketing, what's not, what you can lean into, and what you can lean out of. Then for all of the creative folks, and actually mostly especially for you non-creative folks, you've got this really great and easy place to organize all of the pieces of your brand. So you can upload your logo files, you can create your color palettes, tell us what your fonts are, and then when someone asks for them, instead of you making that face, you can quickly pick what you need and send it off to whoever requested those files. Plus, when you start to build out your brand asset library, we start to auto-populate your brand guide, which is also the place that you can use AI to create a unique brand voice for your business that is connected to the AI copywriter. And then when someone asks for your brand guide, you can send it off. And for anyone who is doing public relations, there is a great way for you to build out your media kit with your headshot and bio, and again, send it off to whoever is requesting it. But for those of you who are not marketing departments of one, maybe you're marketing departments of 175, you can add any of the consultants or team members that you got to your NG account, give them the appropriate level of access so that this becomes a collaborative place for you and your marketing support to get the job done. So if you are looking for a place to get more organized and more focused with your own marketing, then start your 14-day free trial today.